What's going on? My name is Daniel Truelove, and I have a message for all of the amazing educators out there across the world. I have conversations with you every single week, but the one thing that I've been hearing lately is that you can't wait for this break that is coming up. And I get it. You've been going hard. It's been a crazy last year and a half, and I understand that you need some time to just rest, need some time to relax, need some time to just focus on the things that you love, focus on the things that you enjoy. And I get that. But the one thing that I want to encourage you on is this. Let it not take a break for you to be able to focus on the things that you love, to be able to focus on rest, to be able to pour into you the cup that you're actually pouring from. Like, I understand that you have a lot of responsibilities, right? You have all these children, right? Some of them may be on schedule, some of them may be ahead, and then some of them may be behind. And it's your responsibility to make sure that they get to where they need to be, and I understand that. But how much more important is for you to make sure that you're good for the individuals that you're connected to your students, to your fellow teachers, to everybody that's around you, and most importantly to your family, right? You have to make sure that you take time to refocus on you, to take time to make sure that you're rejuvenated, to take time to make sure that you're well rested, to take time to make sure that you're good. While you are in the midst of making sure that everybody else is good, my message to you is this. Make sure that you're good. Happy holidays. Make sure you enjoy this time. But when this new year starts off, make sure that you do what you did in this holiday break. Make sure you take some time to focus on that in the new year as well. Be blessed. Have a good one.